Hey there, savvy viewers! Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: making money online while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right, earning cash while catching those Z's. I'm your host, Dracula, and in this video, I'll guide you through simple ways beginners can start making up to $500 a day without even lifting a finger. Exciting, right? Well, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's like being a virtual salesperson. You team up with companies to promote their stuff. Whenever someone buys through your special link, you get a cut of the sale. The best part? Once you set it up, you can earn money non-stop, even while you sleep. Websites like Amazon Associates or ClickBank have tons of products to choose from. So why not turn your interests into income? Sign up, share your links, and watch the cash flow, even as you snooze. If you're new to affiliate marketing and looking to explore new knowledge, feel free to visit my website to receive this ebook. Next on our list is dropshipping. Ever dreamed of having your own online shop? With dropshipping, you can do just that without the fuss of handling inventory. You partner with suppliers who take care of storing and shipping stuff. Your job? Bring people to your store and make sales. Websites like Shopify make setting up shop super easy. So while you're catching those Z's, your store can be open for business, making you money while you dream. Now, let's talk about print on demand. Do you like getting creative? With print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring, you can turn your ideas into cash without ever needing to deal with inventory. Just create designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and upload them to your chosen platform. When someone buys, the platform takes care of the rest: printing, packing, and shipping while you're off in dreamland. It's a win-win. Let's explore another lucrative avenue: creating digital products. Whether it's an ebook sharing your expertise, an online course teaching a valuable skill, or even software that solves a common problem, digital products can generate passive income while you catch those much-needed Z's. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Udemy provide excellent avenues for selling your creations. Once your products are out there, they can continue to generate income for you without requiring constant attention. Now, let's delve into the world of real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. Renting out property through platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo is a fantastic way to earn passive income while you sleep. Simply list your space, whether it's a spare room, apartment, or vacation home, and watch the bookings roll in. The platforms handle the logistics, leaving you with a steady stream of income without the need for daily involvement. Another avenue for passive income is investing in stocks or real estate. By putting your money into dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to actively work for it. With the right investment strategy, your money can grow while you sleep, providing you with financial security and freedom in the long run. Let's explore the world of YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel and sharing engaging content can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. As your channel grows and accumulates views and subscribers, you can monetize your videos through advertising revenue with programs like Google AdSense. With consistent effort and quality content, your channel can become a source of steady income while you sleep. Next up, let's talk about freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or translation, you can offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. By completing projects for clients remotely, you can earn money on your own schedule, allowing you to make money even while you're catching some Z's. Now, let's explore the world of handmade products. If you're crafty and enjoy making things like jewelry, crafts, or artwork, you can sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy. Once you've set up your shop and listed your items, you can earn money while you sleep as customers purchase your unique creations from around the world. Last but not least, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. By diversifying your investments across multiple borrowers, you can earn passive income from interest payments without actively managing the loans, allowing you to make money while you sleep. And there you have it. 10 simple ways for beginners to start making money online while they sleep. Whether you're exploring affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, creating digital products, renting out property, investing in stocks or real estate, creating a YouTube channel, freelancing, selling handmade products, or peer-to-peer lending, there are plenty of options available to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tips on making money online. Until next time, happy dreaming and happy earning.